Are your deliveries always late? Do your customers complain? You're losing time, losing money, and maybe losing trust. But what if I told you the solution is already in your data? In this video, I'll show how one dashboard helped a business understand what's delaying their delivery and how to fix it. Hello, everyone. My name is Abdur Rahman. I'm a data analyst, and today I will show you a delivery analysis dashboard. It helps business owners understand delivery performance, traffic, weather, and more. This company had 43.74 thousand total orders. The average delivery time is 124.90 minutes. There are 16 different product categories they deliver. Let's talk about what's causing slow delivery. Here we see grocery, toys, and clothing are the top categories with the slowest delivery. On the other hand, sports, kitchen, and cosmetics are the fastest. Why is this happening? We can see that traffic is a big issue. High traffic areas cause 56% of the delay. Also, bad weather affects delivery. Foggy and rainy days cause more delays than sunny days. The delivery time is different in different places. In metropolitan areas, it takes more time than urban areas. Also, the time of the day matters. Night deliveries take the most time, while morning deliveries are faster. The age of the delivery agent also affects performance. Younger agents, age 20-24, are faster and more active. And the vehicle type is important. Motorcycles are the fastest, 36%, followed by scooters and vans. This dashboard gives clear insights. A business owner can easily understand where the problems are and how to make faster deliveries. If you want to solve these problems, just connect with me on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more business. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more business dashboard videos.